When Melissa sat down and went through and showed me on the screen what I was missing in my hearing, and a good part of this might be from the ringing in my ear, I think she explained that we have to retrain your brain. She explained to me that it was not going to go away right away. It was going to take some time, give it time, but we would monitor it. But she felt she was confident that the ringing would, subside, and it has subsided. I have my days sometimes where I'll wake up from a dream or something and my ears are ringing. But I put my hearing aids in, and over a period of that day, evidently I've been wearing them long enough that it subsides and I'm fine. It's absolutely incredible. It's incredible that somebody cared enough about their patients to want to take the time to explain exactly, what it's about. I enjoy coming here because I know that I'm going to get the care that I need. I feel sorry for her because she's got to put up with me, but and for a long time I hope, but I know I've got somebody that's looking after me.